What is going on, my future crypto millionaires? Okay, so hope everyone is having a great day because going to be going over my Robinhood portfolio again here. I'm going to also talk about if it's too late to buy XRP and did you miss the boat and a little bit more than that. But here's the thing, guys. Right now my account on Robinhood's got around 400,000 in it. It's mainly holding XRP. But the thing is, I wouldn't have this much money in this account if I wasn't swing trading with it. I'm going to explain a little bit further here. So basically, if you look at my account we'll go back to 2024 before 2025 here, and I had right around like 90,000 in it, maybe like 100,000. But what happened was you could see there was just like a little bit of a skyrocket right here at one point. What I did was I was trading Bitcoin and Dogecoin. And once I made a little bit of money in there, I eventually just put what I had into XRP, which brings us up to where we are right now. Now, if I was just holding either one of those, my account would probably have somewhere around like 150 to maybe like 160,000 in it, somewhere in that range. But the reason this account is a lot larger is because I was swing trading. And I'm going to explain that, right? Now, swing trading is where you buy stock or crypto and you hold it for anywhere from a couple weeks to like a month, sometimes a little bit longer, and you're just trying to make percentage gains off that swing as opposed to just long-term holding and just hodling crypto. I got nothing wrong against that. I have a bunch more XRP that I'm not trading right now in an offline wallet. And basically what I'm doing with that is I'm kind of just long-term hodling it, and then I'm just kind of trading here. Now my goal with this account is to turn it into somewhere between like 1 to 2 million in the next really 3 to 6 months, which I think is pretty reasonable considering I think a 3x is very reasonable for what I'm trying to do here. With that said, I do want to pull up my where I'm at right now with this. Now, I'm actually in a pretty bad trade with XRP. It's down quite a bit, but not really that worried about it because, buying XRP right now in the $2 range for any of you out there, I think is going to be fine to do because it's not going to really matter what price you get it at because you are going to be able to swing trade it. If you look at the last week on XRP, it's moved around a lot. It's gone from 215 all the way up to 246, which is what, like that's like a 20 cent difference. And I can't do the math in my head on that, but that's somewhere between like a 5 and probably like 9% move. And if you were swing trading and let's say you had $10,000 in your account, you would have made anywhere from like 500 to 900 bucks, pretty easy, all within a week. Now this compounds. The more you do this, the more it compounds, which kind of brings me back to the point here of you shouldn't be worried so much about is it too late to buy XRP. What you need to do is change your mindset about how you can make money in crypto by actually trading crypto, if that makes sense. Not financial advice. And I do want to point this out. If you guys do want to learn, more about swing trading crypto, there is going to be some resources that I have that you can get on in the description and comments of this video. And I do recommend that if you want to maybe take this a little bit, further with the swing trading. Also, if you guys are looking for some good exchanges, Robinhood's pretty decent. I'll have some resources down there for them as well. I do want to pull up XRP real quick here on TradingView so we can kind of go over where I see it going in kind of the shorter term right now. Now, I have a couple lines pulled up because we're really at like 230, and you could see really the highest XRP got was, I want to say it was like right around like 330. I think that was the max before it crashed down. I think it might have been like 338 or something like that. But, there's a couple different resistances. The one at the top, like the big one to me is 340. $3 is another kind of like harder place to break. But in my opinion, $3, I think could easily be cleared again. And then when we get to 340, I think that's going to be pretty telling. If we can break that, then I think $4 is definitely going to be the next big resistance. And speaking of $4, if we were able to get up there, guys, and let's say that you buy XRP in the $2 range right now, and you see it like shoot up all the way to $4, be aware there's going to be a lot of selling up there. Okay, so expect the price to drop, and that might be a good time to sell and then rebuy lower. Now, on the flip side, the nice thing about where XRP is right now, I don't really see it going lower than like $1.78 to $1.80. I mean, honestly, not right now. So I mean, there's so much more upside right now for XRP, in my opinion, than downside. And even if we came back down, we still have a lot of higher targets. Plus, you got to consider we got XRP ETFs. There's just so much positive sentiment around XRP right now that it's kind of like, you got to look at it like that. But at the same time, if we see a big move up quick, be aware there's going to be a big move down. I think right now where we're at, XRP really has one big move left in it before it comes crashing down again. So my plan right now is probably to once we break $3 and we get up to this 340 range again, I'm going to put some stop losses in around like 320. And if it keeps going up and it gets up to like $384, I'm going to adjust my stop loss, and I'm going to probably keep it in like 20 to 30 cent intervals, just to be safe. Because the thing is, when XRP goes up, it goes up. But when it goes down, it goes down. And you want to lock in those gains, okay? Don't be like everybody else. And don't be listening to all this craziness about XRP going to like $30 this year. The reality is, guys, anything can happen. But you don't want to regret, not locking in gains when you can, right? Because here's the thing. It's like the price always comes back down. Just something to think about, guys. And I'm just giving you what I'm doing, and I'm just keeping a close eye on it. With that said, I also wanted to go over a quick article here. I'll link this up below too, but it's pretty interesting, and I think it's pretty relevant for where we're at right now. It just says expert predicts XRP price if Bitcoin surges to 140K, 45K in 2-month time. Now, I think Bitcoin, sure, it could get up to that, but I think maybe like 120K, 125K is more realistic, right? All right, so anyways, let's go down a little bit here. It says, all right, XRP, which became the third biggest crypto by market cap following its remarkable post-election performance, has dropped to the 4th position, before it soared to 338 on January 16th, but has since plunged to 228. The downturn has spread across the broader crypto market, with top assets also experiencing similar price declines. Thinking Crypto host remains optimistic. While many investors are expressing disappointment in the heavy downturns, Edward seems optimistic about the market's potential. He imagines a hypothetical situation where XRP flips Ethereum. Okay, and then we go a little bit further down here. All right, notably, he sets Bitcoin's target at 145K, Ethereum at 7,000, and XRP at 5. What's interesting here, Ethereum at 7,000, and you compare that to XRP, where it's at right now. So basically, this guy is saying Ethereum could triple in price, more than triple from where it's at, as opposed to XRP, where you're going to get less than a 3x gain if it gets to $5. It's interesting, but kind of back to the situation that I'm going to just kind of wait for here, guys, is I think XRP is got a lot more room to go up. If you wanted to buy an XRP right now, don't be so concerned about the price. Be concerned about your strategy and your plan to make money when you buy into it. I'm sure long-term holding's fine. I'm not saying it's not, but if you want to get some active gains, swing trading is definitely the way to go, okay? And I'm just giving you a little background, a little bit of proof on what I'm doing. And I hope you guys can follow along with me on this journey of getting this account over, at least 1 million in the next, like I said, 3 to 6 months. But I would like to push for like 2. And, it is what it is. With that said, if you haven't subscribed, please do that. Get on our newsletter. If you want to learn more about swing trading, I'll have some resources as well below in the description and comments that I think are going to help a lot of you guys out there. Thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see you all in the next crypto video.